This is what your cabin air filter looks like if you don't change it regularly. First, pull out the panel on the left side. Then, unclip the two snaps of the panel that under the glove box. Release these two screws. Carefully take this out, not to damage the blower motor resistor. Slide out the first cabin air filter. Pull down the other one that is on the top. As you can see, they are full of leaves, dust, mold. Change the new one in. This is the Fresh Plus, thick carbon activated filter. When you put them in, this is the direction. The form part facing up, then slide in the second part. Reinstall the parts back. Make sure all the clips are secured.
Visit our website to order your filters today at www.freshenopt.ca.